Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode manually on your SoundPeats T3. So first of all, we have to input both earbuds from this charging case, and as you can see right now they are turned on. So we have to click and hold these two touchpads until indicators blinks 3 times quickly. Keep holding. Right now release. Next, we have to click and hold these indicators, these touchpads. And right now we can release when the left is in the solid blue and when the right is slowly blinking. Right now, when we enter for the paired new device, as you can see, the SoundPeats appears on the list. So when we select them, we will be able to connect. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.